Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bigpanda token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, July 4th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account, it's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, the actual ticker symbol for this token is Panda. If you were going to look it up on their Block Explorer, their BSC scan, you will see the ticker symbol is Panda. But most likely there is another token already listed on Mexc Global, which is where this token is being listed tomorrow, with the ticker symbol Panda. So on Mexc Global, the ticker symbol for this token is Bigpanda, all one word, just like the name of the token. And basically tomorrow at exactly 14 hours UTC time, July 4th, this token will be listed on Mexc Global for purchase. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Bigpanda, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official webpage is big-panda.org. This is on the Binance Smart Chain, like I mentioned. It says Bigpanda focuses on its token utility, as this is a community project, strong emphasis on the monetization of the project through NFTs, rewards, and play to earn and token value enhancements. So they have a Twitter. As always, I put the Twitter up in the corner of the video here so you guys can easily find this token. Their Twitter is at BigPandaMeme. And their Telegram is at BigPandaCrypto and then the number 1. And if you go to their official webpage, you will find a full white paper over there. It is a 10-page white paper. So their Twitter, 41,200 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well on their socials, 94 tweets so far. They joined in January 2023 on Twitter here. They have a couple of tier 2 central exchange listings like Bitmart and Latican, but Mexc Global is definitely their very first tier 1 central exchange listing. So they're also doing burning. So they have Panda burning. Well, it's got a meme talking about burning on here, but we'll verify that on their white paper here in 1 second. But it looks like they do burns. So they have 10,159 holders so far. So a lot of holders, 14,807 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 10 trillion Panda tokens. Their Telegram has 18,673 members, so they're doing very well on their Telegram as well. So Bigpanda is a meme coin with no intrinsic value, so the big disclaimer at the front of their white paper there. So definitely read the disclaimer here. It's the same disclaimer as every meme coin. It's basically no value unless given value, of course, by the investors. So Bigpanda is a panda-themed meme coin designed to offer benefits that other meme coins don't give its community. It offers blockchain gaming and entertaining NFTs based on the Binance Smart Chain, developing a decentralized community and ecosystem. The only meme token capable to blow its competition away and walk all over them. Bigpanda is more than just a token. It's a movement driven by new memes in the crypto space. The community-driven token focuses on making rags into riches, transforming past mistakes into future gains. Bigpanda embodies the true spirit of meme resilience and laughter. We're here to prove that laughter can indeed make you rich, unlike other memes. Embrace the FOMO and turn your old losses into profits with Bigpanda. Let's start the winning spree and never miss a pump again. So the goal of Bigpanda here, it says it aims to be the #1 token, allowing degens to rely and invest freely. The ultimate goal is to soak up the liquidity from all the other competitors. Their vision is to create a vibrant and captivating blockchain gaming community where players can experience the excitement and thrill of decentralized gaming while also enjoying the benefits of true ownership and control over their assets. Our mission is to utilize technology to create entertaining and highly engaging applications that push the boundaries of traditional gaming and the metaverse. Now, within the ecosystem, gaming, NFTs, decentralized finance, governance, blockchain, and community. Now, the game features are play to win, secure, mobile and web-friendly, leaderboards, rewards, challenges, prize pools, jackpots, NFT interoperability, land NFTs and staking the land NFTs, and multiplayer experience. So, how the token is split up here, 15% of the tokens go to rewards, 15% go to staking, 14% gaming, 32% public sale, 10% development, 10% marketing, 4% team. Now there's airdrop section here on their webpage as well. So governance will be for grants and rewards, token distribution and allocation, tax fees, percentages, and allocation. So then they have, let's see here, they talk a little bit about, what play to earn is, all that type of stuff. We don't need to go through all that. But the roadmap's on here, starting with token launch, website launch, BSC scan, pancake swap, liquidity lock, social buzz, more holders, central exchange listing, NFT launch, more exchange listings, adding liquidity to bakery swap, which is another DEX like pancake swap, social explosion, 40,000 members, 15,000 holders, strategic partnership, $200 million market cap, then the game launch of the game called the Panda House, then airdrop DApp launch, more central exchange listings, governance, more members, more holders, 1 billion market cap, more dApps, wallet and swap launch, and then IDO. So they tell you step by step how to buy this token off Pancake Swap if you need to do that on their white paper. Otherwise, this token is available as of July 4th, 14 hours UTC time on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.